We are flying. Let's tuck. We're going 30, 31, 32, 34, 35.
Guess what I have behind me?
You guessed it, a freaking e-bike.
What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David Brand New, and I'm back with another video for you. And today we got another e-bike to review. This one's by a company called Fifth Wheel. This is the Fifth Wheel Torrent 2. Huge 26-inch by 4-inch fat tires, guys. It also has front suspension. It also comes with fenders, front and rear, and these ones are gonna be metal. Long mountain bike style neck right here. These handlebars have a slight rise, but nothing too crazy. Thumb throttle on the right hand side, right underneath. And right above is gonna be the 7-speed Shimano trigger shifter, hydraulic brake levers. Right in the middle, we do have the LCD display. Moving to the frame, this is gonna be a step-through style frame, so it's easily mountable. The battery is located inside the frame right here. Here's gonna be the rear shock right here. Then moving to the rear, here's gonna be your rear fender right here. Nice long metal fender, covers the whole wheel pretty much. Also comes with this rear rack. You can take it off. I personally would probably take it off. They're saying that it can hold up to 55 pounds. Here's gonna be the rear light. Now this one is battery operated. Right underneath there's a little switch and you can just flip it on, flip it off. And then moving down, we do have a Shimano tourney derailleur. Right here is gonna be your Bafang 750 watt rear hub motor, guys. Next up, we're gonna hop on it. We're gonna do 2 tests. We're gonna do a top speed run, GPS verified. We're also gonna take it up a hill. All right, guys, let's test out how fast this bike is. First test is gonna be throttle only. We got it all the way in pedal assist 3. And we also got the GPS phone app out. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, here we go. Let's see how fast this bike is. It has pretty good acceleration. We're already going 18 miles per hour. Let me tuck a little bit. Going 22 miles per hour. Slowing down. Okay, it seems like we have a speed limiter on the throttle. Looks like it stops at 20 miles per hour. Next test is gonna be pedal assist. We got it all the way in pedal assist 3. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go ahead and crank these pedals. We should be able to go a little bit faster now that we're pedaling. We're already going 20. Oh yeah, I can definitely feel the power now. Going 22. 24. Oh yeah, this bike moves. This bike moves. 27 miles per hour. 28. Can we go 29? Oh my goodness. No, we can't. 28 miles per hour is the top speed, but that's actually really good for this bike. The throttle response is actually really good too. Like as soon as you engage the throttle, the bike takes off. There's no delay at all. Look. All right, guys, let's see how well this bike can go up a hill. First test is gonna be throttle only. We got it all the way in pedal assist 3. And we also have the GPS phone app out. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. I don't think it's gonna make it up throttle only just because it tops out at 20 miles per hour. And I'm pretty sure it's gonna struggle as soon as we get to the steep part. Here we go. Currently going 18, 17. I'd be very surprised if we made it up this hill throttle only. Here we go, 15, 13. It's doing decent. I'm not mad at it. 11. It's slowing down. 10, but it's doing better than other bikes. I'm not gonna lie. 9, 8. We should kill the motor here. We're gonna let it ride out. 7. All right, we're gonna kill the test. So technically it failed the test, throttle only. Let's go ahead and head back downhill now. See how fast this bike is. Throttle only. 24, 26, 27, 29, 30. I saw 30 miles per hour. That's pretty good. Next test is gonna be pedal assist. We got it in pedal assist 3. We're working with 71% battery, by the way, so not a full charge. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go ahead and crank these pedals. I'm in gear 2. Let's up it to gear 5. This is a torque sensor, by the way, not a cadence sensor, so you got to apply the pressure in order to get the power. We are flying 18 miles per hour. Oh yeah, we're going up this hill pretty easily now. 15, 14, 13. Drop the gear a little bit. Here we go. We're in gear 4, maintaining 12 miles per hour up this hill. Not too bad. And let's turn back around. Let's see if we can beat our top speed, which was 30 miles per hour. Let's see if we can go faster than that. We're gonna pedal a little bit. Woo! We are flying. Let's tuck. We're going 30,
31, 32, 34, 35. 35 miles per hour top speed downhill. All right guys, so this is the Torrent 2 FT by Fifth Wheel, full suspension step through adventure e-bike. Current price of this bike is $15.99. This bike is rocking a 750 watt motor in the rear. It peaks at 1,000 watts and comes with a thumb throttle on the right hand side. Also comes with a 7-speed Shimano. And they're claiming that you can get 75 miles on pedal assist out of this bike and 45 miles on pure throttle. Top speed of this bike is 28 miles per hour. This bike also comes with hydraulic disc brakes and a 48 volt 20 amp hour battery. The max weight on this bike is 400 pounds and the overall weight of the bike is 79 pounds. The bike comes with 20 by 4 inch fat tires, front and rear fenders, and a rear rack. Another cool thing about this bike is that it comes with a torque sensor, and I thought it did because it felt like it. Overall, it's a pretty decent bike. I like how big it is. I'm a taller rider. I'm 6'4", so these 26-inch wheels are perfect. I'm not a fan of step-throughs, but this step-through is pretty decent because it has this full suspension right here in the middle. Kind of breaks it up a little bit. The power is decent. I wish you can go faster than 20 miles per hour on throttle only, but the fact that it goes 28 miles per hour is pretty good. It also comes with hydraulic brakes, so you can't complain about that. Only thing I can complain about is I feel like the frame is a little bit weak. Sometimes when I was jumping off of curbs or just kind of like swerving a little bit, it seemed like the frame was like wobbling a little bit. I don't know, but yeah, the overall bike is pretty good. Price isn't super expensive, and if you guys are in the market for an e-bike, this is definitely one to consider, especially if you're a taller rider. I'm gonna leave a link to it in the description down below if you guys want to check out more information about it, and that's gonna do it for the review. We'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, deuces like that.